Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common trouble code that might show up in your car's OBD-EI system P0311. This code means there's a misfire in cylinder 11. Now, it's important to address this quickly to avoid long-term engine damage. In this video, I'll walk you through the possible causes of this code and how you can fix it yourself. Let's get started. First things first, let's understand what this code means. P0311 is a cylinder 11 misfire detected error. Misfires happen when the air-fuel mixture in the cylinder doesn't ignite properly, which can result in poor engine performance, reduced fuel economy, and even damage to your catalytic converter if ignored for too long. Faulty spark plug, ignition coil failure, fuel injector issue, low compression, vacuum leak, wiring issues. OBD-EI scanner, spark plug socket and ratchet, ignition coil tester, fuel injector cleaner or replacement injector, compression tester, multimeter for electrical testing. First, plug in your OBD-EI scanner and check for the P0311 code. If it pops up, you've confirmed a misfire in cylinder 11. Pop the hood and locate your engine's spark plugs. You might need to remove some plastic covers to access them. Use a spark plug wrench to carefully remove the plug from cylinder number 11. Inspect the spark plug. Is it worn, cracked, or dirty? If so, it's time for a new one. Check the gap between the center electrode and the ground electrode with a spark plug gapping tool. If the gap is too wide or narrow, adjust it carefully using the gapping tool. Repeat for all spark plugs, replacing any worn or damaged ones. Ignition coils deliver the spark to the spark plugs. They're usually located right on top of the spark plugs. Carefully remove the ignition coil for cylinder number 11. Look for any cracks, burns, or oil leaks. These are signs of a bad coil. Some vehicles allow you to swap the coil with another cylinder's coil to see if the code changes. If the misfire code jumps to the new cylinder, then the coil is bad. Replace the faulty ignition coil with a new one. Once you've identified the problem, go ahead and replace or repair the faulty component. After fixing the issue, clear the code using your OBD-EI scanner and take the car for a test drive to see if the code comes back. And that's it. You've successfully diagnosed and fixed the P0311 code. Misfires can be tricky, but with the right tools and steps, they're totally manageable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY car repair guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.